Hey divas, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I installed this unit from Isee. This is a kinky curly 18-inch unit from them, so thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But without further ado, stay tuned for the installation, styling, and all that good stuff. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a unit from Isee Hair. We have their kinky curly 18-inch T-part lace wig, and here I'm just unboxing everything. It came with wig caps and of course the unit. So here's how the unit looks straight out of the box. She looks really pretty. Here's the cap construction. I will say that it's average to small head friendly, but we are going to make it work. It does come with 3 combs in the front, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. And as you guys can see, this is a T-part unit, so you just have the T-part, like a traditional lace front unit, kind of similar to a synthetic unit. Here's the unit onto my head, and this is how it's falling on me. As you guys can see, it does have a little bit of shrinkage because it is kinky curly hair, but it is 18 inches. This is the hair once I have bleached the knots, washed it, conditioned it, as well as applied mousse to it. And to tint my lace, I'm just using the Huda Beauty foundation. Now I did go in and just cut off the other excess lace and kind of installing this like a 4x4 because the unit is a little bit too small for my larger size head. To install this unit, I'm going to go ahead and use Bold Hold Liquid Gold. I really do like it so far, but I do want to use it a few more times. But I just went ahead and applied about like 2 light layers, and now I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it. Once that's tacky, I'm going to lay the unit right into my hairline. So I'm just going to use my rat tail comb to kind of push the unit directly into my skin so that it can have that scalp-like effect. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. I'm going to go ahead and blow dry that after I've pressed it in just to help with the drying process. And I'm going to go in and cut off the lace. If you are not sure or you are not like used to cutting your lace with an eyebrow razor, definitely just go in with scissors because you definitely don't want to cut off any excess lace that you don't mean to. Now I'm going to go in and lay my unit down with some elastic band and let that set for 10 minutes. So now it has set for 10 minutes, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove it. And as you guys can see, I have like some excess product there that dried as well. So I'm just going in with a Q-tip and some alcohol to clean that up, and it did a perfect job. So if you get any excess product, whether it's this one or another one, just use that. Now I'm going to add some ghetto adult hairs. You definitely don't have to do this, but I really love it. I'm a 90s baby, so I can't help it. And to lay my baby hairs, I'm going to use this Tropical Roots foaming mousse. And I love this because it really holds down the hair, like seriously. So I really love this because I don't have to use like gel or anything to lay down my edges. Not that I mind or anything, but sometimes it feels good to not do that because you guys know the product can get messy. So anyways, I'm going to go in and set those baby hairs with some elastic band as well. And here's how it looks once they're all done. Now I'm going to go in and straighten or flatten out the part, excuse me. And I'm going to use my wax stick to do that as well as my hot comb. This next step I definitely could have skipped because it made my lace look a little bit too red, or maybe it was my brown stocking cap, I don't know, but skip this step because it made it too red. So now I'm going to go into styling the actual hair. Although I had styled it previously, I just wanted kind of to just refresh the hair. So I'm going to add water, mousse, and then I'm going to add an oil. Now the oil is actually a heat protectant spray that I'm going to add, but I really love the way that it smells, and it is still an oil, so I'm just going to use that one. But yeah, so I'm just going in with the water and then mousse, and then of course my oil / heat protectant spray, and it's the Beyond the Zone one. It smells like so freaking amazing. That's why I wanted to use it. But after I do all that, I'll pretty much be done. And of course, you guys know I'll finish out my closing thoughts. So I'll just let you guys go ahead and watch me finish styling and everything. And then I'll tell you guys how I feel about it. Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen me like style the wig and everything, I wanted to come and quickly tell you guys like how I feel about this hair. So let's just get right to it. Okay, so today the company we're working with is called Isee. I have worked with them before. I absolutely love their hair, the quality, the lace and everything. So I was super excited to work with them again. So as you guys can see, today we have some kinky curly drip. Okay, this is so freaking pretty. This is also very beginner friendly. This is 18 inches. While I know it's probably looking like a good 14, sis. This is 18 inches. You know, curly hair, especially kinky curly hair, does have shrinkage. So this is an 18 inch. You guys probably were able to tell when I was styling it because it was, you know, like I expanded the hair, I stretched it. So anyways, this is what it looks like. Right now I would say it's about like maybe 89% dry, because in the middle a little bit is still wet. However, I feel like the curls look like very luscious and juicy because I added a little bit of the oil. It was actually heat protecting spray, but I love the way it smells and it is the oil, so I was like, you know, I'm gonna just use this. But overall I really do like it. In the beginning I did show with you guys like how it looks when it's completely dry, because I let it dry for about 3.5 days, so it was definitely dry completely, and all I did was wash it, condition it, and I did add this mousse. This is my favorite mousse. Like you guys seen, like my baby hairs are still laid, and I was even filming like Instagram reels and doing my makeup and everything. This freaking mousse is the truth. This is the Tropical Roots moisturizing sculpting foam, and I just love it. But anyways, that's all I really put on the hair. So I just put oil, mousse, and what else? Water. It's just water. But anyways, yeah, like that's all I put on the hair. Overall I do like it. Now this unit does have a little bit of shedding and tangling, but that's to be expected. This is kinky curly hair. However, it's not anything that is an excessive amount to where you'll be like, girl, like is all the wig, all the hair on this wig gonna come off? So it's a good amount. It's like a natural amount. With my natural hair, it sheds. So yeah, I didn't find that it was out of the ordinary, and this is just overall really beautiful. I love the fact that it is very beginner friendly and it has nice lace on it. As you guys can see, like the lace looks so nice and blended in nicely. All I did was add my Huda Beauty foundation, because that's the one that I'm wearing today, and then I just went in with my Ruby Kisses powder. So yeah, like that's all I pretty much did. I think it looks really good. Now I probably shouldn't have went in with the powder because it's probably a little bit too red once I mixed it with that Huda Beauty, but it still looks good. Like as you guys can see, like it still looks good. Now what makes this unit a beginner friendly unit is the fact that it is a T-part unit. Now while I did install it like it was a 4x4, this is a T-part unit, as you guys seen in the cap construction that I showed you guys before. So the reason why I installed it like a 4x4 is because my head is big, so it wasn't coming all the way down. But you don't have to worry if you have a big head like me. All you have to do is install it like a 4x4 and you'll be fine. I would definitely recommend putting bobby pins over here so that once your hair goes back you don't see anything, even though you don't, because I didn't put any bobby pins. But if your hair flies back, you definitely won't see anything, so you're good to go. But I would just say to put the bobby pins just to get the assurance and the reassurance that you're not clocked. Okay, overall I think this is a very nice unit, super beginner friendly. I really love it. Like I absolutely enjoy like these type of wigs and synthetic wigs, and for a human hair wig, like this is really bomb. Like you guys really need to place this in your wig arsenal. Like you really need to buy it because it was so easy to slay. You know, usually, you know, lace frontals and all that stuff, like it's really hard, especially for my beginners out there. Like it's super hard. Like even for me, it's like draining. It's like, oh my god, like I gotta do all these steps. But with this one, no. All I did was bleach my knots, wash my wig, okay, condition it, and I was good to go. Oh yeah, so I did use this for the very first time, and my overall impressions, and this is the Boho Liquid Gold, and my overall impressions so far is that it is nice. I do want to use it like a couple of times. So anyways, thank you Fabulous Divas so much for watching. If you guys are interested in this unit, then definitely check the description box below. I'll be sure to leave all the links to this hair, everything in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, Divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you did enjoyed this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.